This is another literacy check-in, small group edition. For this particular group, I prepped a word list for substituting vowel sounds, my grapheme cards, a pop-it, my mapping sheets, self-checking task cards, as well as a few multisyllabic word cards with the focus sound and a decodable passage. We started with a 3-minute phonemic awareness drill with a focus on substituting medial sounds. Here's an example. Segment the word same, s, a, m. Where's A? Now change A to E. What's the word? Seam. Next, I use my grapheme cards to review previously taught skills and concepts. I do this whole group every day, but I like to do it in small group 2 to 3 times per week to improve overall automaticity. I show my kids a card and they produce the corresponding sounds. The number in the top right corner signals my kids that the pattern spells more than one sound. Next, we work to store our new pattern, i.e. spells E. There are several different multisensory ways to do this, but today we use sand. Kids write the focus pattern and produce the sound 3 to 5 times. Next, we work to strengthen phoneme-grapheme correspondences. My kids select a card, all of which contain our new pattern. They say the word out loud, pop the individual sounds, and then write the letter or letters that spell each sound in the sound dots. Finally, they spell the word on the line and flip the card over to check their work. Next up is syllable division. I give my kids a stack of multisyllabic word cards, all with the focus sound. They use their syllable knowledge to label, divide, and read each word. I also use this time to review previously taught skills and concepts. For example, the final silent E in believe is not there to make the vowel before it long. English words don't end in V, therefore the final silent E is there to prevent the word from ending in V. One thing I do often is I have my kids cut the words to divide. I mix them all up and have them read each syllable in isolation and then rematch the syllables to form words. Next, we got out the decodable, but I started by building vocabulary and background knowledge. I reused my task cards by showing a picture of some key vocabulary terms from the passage. We discussed the meaning of each word and used it in a sentence. Then my kids searched for and highlighted each word in the passage. Then we went through and highlighted and read all the words with the focus sound. If they come to a one-syllable word they struggle to decode, they use their pop-it, say each sound out loud, and blend. This adds a multisensory component to word reading. If they come to a multisyllabic word they struggle to decode, they use their syllable knowledge to divide, label, and read. Another great scaffold is to have them rewrite and read each syllable in isolation.